Homeowners in Frisco understand the importance of protecting their investment. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years to come or you're preparing to sell, maintaining and upgrading your property can significantly influence its market value. One of the most effective upgrades you can make is window replacement. Modern windows do more than improve appearance, they enhance comfort, efficiency, and resale potential. Here's how window replacement in Frisco boosts property value and why it's a smart move for local homeowners. Curb appeal and first impressions in real estate. First impressions matter. Buyers in Frisco often judge a home's condition by its exterior. Old, faded, or damaged windows can make even a well-maintained home look dated. Replacing them with modern styles immediately refreshes the exterior, creating a polished look that appeals to potential buyers. Updated window frames, sleek finishes, and larger glass panes not only improve aesthetics but also showcase natural light indoors. This creates a bright and welcoming atmosphere, a key factor in making buyers feel more connected to a home. Energy efficiency and lower utility costs. North Texas summers bring intense heat, and Frisco homeowners know how important it is to maintain indoor comfort without driving up energy bills. New energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced insulation, low-E coatings, and double or triple panes to reduce heat transfer. For buyers, this translates into lower monthly utility costs, a major selling point. Many prospective homeowners are increasingly eco-conscious and seek properties with sustainable features. By upgrading your windows, you demonstrate that the home is not only attractive but also designed to save energy and reduce long-term expenses. Increased home value and return on investment. According to real estate professionals, window replacement consistently ranks as one of the top remodeling projects with a strong return on investment. In markets like Frisco, where buyers are often families seeking long-term residences, energy-efficient and modernized features command higher prices. Replacing outdated windows is a visible and practical improvement that appraisers and buyers notice immediately. In many cases, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of the installation cost at resale, while also enjoying the benefits of improved comfort and aesthetics in the meantime. Noise reduction and comfort. Frisco is a growing city, and with growth comes increased traffic, new developments, and community activity. Modern windows are built to reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. This upgrade is particularly appealing to families, remote workers, or anyone who values comfort and privacy. Prospective buyers often prioritize homes that feel like a retreat from the outside world, and noise-reducing windows deliver just that. Enhanced security and safety. Today's replacement windows come equipped with stronger materials and advanced locking systems. These features provide homeowners with added peace of mind, knowing their property is more secure against intrusions. For families moving into the Frisco area, safety is a top priority. Being able to showcase windows that offer both modern security features and easy emergency exit options can give your home a competitive edge in the local housing market. Staying competitive in the Frisco market. Frisco's housing market is highly competitive, with buyers often comparing multiple properties before making a decision. Homes with updated features like new windows stand out as move-in ready. Buyers are willing to pay a premium for properties that require fewer immediate upgrades. If your neighbors are investing in home improvements, staying current with upgrades like window replacement helps your property maintain or exceed neighborhood standards, preventing your home from being undervalued. Conclusion: window replacement in Frisco is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a strategic investment that increases property value, enhances curb appeal, and improves overall comfort. With benefits ranging from energy efficiency to modern safety features, new windows make your home more attractive to potential buyers and more enjoyable for your family. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to maximize your property's worth, replacing your windows is a step that pays off both immediately and long-term.